Today our tutorial is focusing on dragon rooting. What is the basic of dragon rooting? Why it's called dragon rooting? Okay, the dragon rooting is also called by dragon tendon. Okay, that means there's few tendons in our body kind of related to our reproductive organs. When these tendons start to getting aged, start to deficiency, it will lose its elasticity. Once the elasticity decreased, the blood flow and the qi flow is not getting to the place to rejuvenating the organs to be healthy. So most of the case when people start having prostate inflammation, ED, or premature ejaculations is one of the reasons. There's so many reasons causes that, but one of the reasons because these tendons been aged, got older, and is drying out. Okay, so I'm gonna show everybody where the tendons are. That's so important that we can use either massage techniques, we can use cupping, we can use gua sha, we can use maxibustion to start to rejuvenating, to reactivate the tendon to be healthier. So once those tendons start to getting his life back, the other parts of the organ, the reproductive organ, it will start to recover and coming back to life. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a line on the tummy. Okay, so now we're gonna actually get into, I'm gonna have to expose him now to draw the lines where the tendons are. Okay, so if you wanted to watch this full video of the explanation of where the tendons are, we actually will have this video in fan view. You can follow us on fan view and subscribe to watch the videos that's with contains nudity. Okay, so let's start.